Hey, so if you want to turn your spreadsheet data into a clean visual overview, yeah, creating a dashboard in Google Sheets is one of the best ways to track information quickly. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, make sure your spreadsheet data is organized clearly into rows and columns. Now add a separate sheet and rename it as Dashboard. Choose important numbers you want to track like sales, expenses, profits, or monthly totals. Use formulas like sum, average, and count to calculate dashboard data automatically. Go to Insert and add charts like bar graphs, pie charts, or line charts. Resize charts, add titles, and organize elements to make the dashboard easier to read. Use conditional formatting to highlight important trends or problem areas automatically. You can add filters or drop-down menus to analyze different data quickly. As your original spreadsheet updates, the dashboard updates automatically too. Click Share to collaborate with your team or clients in real time. And yeah, that's it. That's how you create a dashboard in Google Sheets and turn raw data into useful visual reports in 2026.